Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a global environment variable in Linux. So that variable will be accessible to any user connecting to your server. To do this, we need to create a script under etc profile.d directory. So let me jump into that directory. Okay, I'm in. So before starting, please keep in mind that this directory is read by all shells when they start. So any script we put it here, it will be executed automatically. Okay, let me create a script with name global variable, for example, sh. And here I will export a variable with name demo, and as a value I will put this is demo for YouTube. Okay, let me save our script and exit the text editor. Now, before testing if you can access our variable or not, we need to source our script. So to do that, it's quite simple. We can use source command, and here we need to pass the path for our script. So here I can just use the name of our script because I'm in the same directory as my script. Okay, so let me check our variable echo demo. Okay, I get the exact value for our variable. So let me check that from another user. Okay, echo the demo. Yes, and I get the same value. So my variable here is accessible to any user in my system. Okay, I hope that you find this video informative. Creating a global environment variable is a simple way to make a variable accessible to all users in your system, and also it can be useful for a variety of purposes such as setting common paths or configuration options. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.